Hey guys, yes, I'm back again. I know I hope it's not getting annoying because I'm having a blast with this. I hope you guys are. Still heading to Philly. We are approximately 14 minutes away from our hotel. Yay! And yeah, I've mentioned the Shadoobs to you before. Now I want to tell you, the Shadoob is an elusive creature. Primarily only seen at night. Now I'm not going to say they're nocturnal, but a daytime sighting is very rare. Actually, I'm joking. It is a Rolling Stones fan club. You should check them out on the internet. It was started by Doug. I won't use his last name. I don't know if you would appreciate it or not, but whatever. But yeah, I read an article. Well, I think it was the Washington Post a few years ago. He's met both Mick and Keith, so I'm totally jealous of that. We actually met him at BWI Airport, heading out to the Denver show in 2019. But what they do is they try to, the night before show, they try to commandeer a bar, with permission obviously, a bar, and then nothing but Stones fans there, and they play Stones music. We've been to a few, and they've been an absolute blast. And the day of the show, they try to do something, you know, some sort of gathering. So we hope we see them today. Now, what could be a possibility is we've been to this little complex in Philly where the football field, hockey field, you know, the indoor arena and the baseball field are all together, and they have some bars and restaurants right there. It's pretty cool. We have seen the tribute band Satisfaction, which I've seen almost as many times as I've seen the Stones, I think. And the other one is the Glimmer Twins, and I enjoy both of them. I think she likes the Glimmer Twins, but that's okay. So kiddies, that will conclude the Rolling Stones Philadelphia 2024 Latte Debrief. We will catch up.